Tired of Chrome slowing you down? Too many extensions, broken profiles, and cluttered data? Let's clean it all up automatically with a simple PowerShell script. First, use Taskill, a Windows command used to terminate running process. Silently, no errors shown if Chrome isn't running. This line scans all user folders on the system and filters only those that have a Chrome profile user data folder. This prepares a list of users whose Chrome data can be cleaned. This loop deletes all Chrome data for each detected user on the PC. A brief pause ensures that all Chrome processes are fully terminated before or after deletion, reducing the risk of conflicts or errors. Let's launch it and see the difference. Voila! Now that Chrome is clean, no extensions, no bloat, just a fresh start, faster startup, clean interface, ready to go. Subscribe to Whati_TR before your memory cries again. Rafflecopter.